A cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. The discovery of cells began in 1665 when Robert Hooke observed cork cells under a microscope. Later, Anton van Leeuwenhoek's improved microscope allowed for the observation of live cells. The cell theory, formulated in the mid-19th century by Schleiden, Schwann, and Virchow, states that all living organisms are composed of cells. The cell is the fundamental unit of life, and all cells arise from pre-existing cells. This theory laid the foundation for modern biology, highlighting the importance of cells in structure, function, and heredity.